New tonight, city leaders insist allegations that the Seattle Police Department will no longer arrest people suspected of open drug use in Seattle are not true. They call the allegations misinformation. This controversy surfaced after a leaked email from the police chief to the department's officers. KOMO's Michelle Esteban went to City Hall for answers and to confront the city attorney sworn into office today about prosecuting those cases. Michelle.
Molly, I learned that actually all of this began with this memo from the city attorney's office. In short, it says the city's going to lean into a Seattle ordinance, all in an effort to treat drug use with diversion programs while reserving criminal charges for cases where diversion may not work. From Seattle's top cop to Mayor Katie Wilson and now the newly sworn-in Seattle City Attorney Erica Evans, all three insist allegations that Seattle cops were ordered to halt open drug arrests are not true.
Nothing's changing in terms of policy. Officers still have the discretion to make arrests for folks using. All we're saying in our office is we're going to follow the law.
And lean into a city ordinance already on the books that emphasizes treatment over prosecution.
We got to look at this problem as if this was a loved one that's suffering, and what is the right response?
I asked the police chief directly about it. He insists nothing has changed when it comes to police continuing to make drug-related arrests. But that's not how the police union interpreted it. An internal email from the chief to officers released by the department to KOMO reads, effective immediately, all charges related to drug possession and/or drug use will be diverted from prosecution to LEAD. LEAD is the Law Enforcement Assisted Diversion Program. It emphasizes treatment over prosecution, and it aligns with the city attorney's campaign promise to prioritize diversion over prosecution. And while there may not be a change in policy, it represents a change.
The former city attorney had 97% of those people didn't get any treatment, and they were right back out in our streets. And so the difference we're saying is we're going to change that.
And if they don't, Evans says her office will pursue traditional approaches, a.k.a. prosecution.
If we go to 12th and Jackson right now, areas of Belltown, there's people that are out right now in our streets, and people are suffering. And what's been currently happening is not working.
To really ensure that it's pragmatic and effective on the ground.
For Councilmember Bob Kettle, chair of the council's Public Safety Committee, he says it's an opportunity to ensure the ordinance is working.
Because at the end of the day, we need to be looking out for those neighbors in crisis, but we also have to look out for our neighborhoods. Those neighborhoods who are being hurt, that are being harmed by the scourge of the drug markets on our streets.
I also wanted to mention that the email from the police chief spelled out exactly what you heard there from the city attorney. And it also says that if there is a disagreement, perhaps police recommend one thing and the city attorney's office recommends another, that both sides will meet and discuss that. I wanted to also mention, you heard from Bob Kettle there. He said that they already had a meeting on the books for the end of the first quarter for city council where they want to address this. You better believe this will be a topic there they want to look at closely. They want to make sure that it does work and that it is effective. So they'll be monitoring that at City Council. That's the very latest. Back to you.
Michelle, thank you. There are several voter initiatives in the works to end homeless encampments and drug addiction here in Seattle. One initiative is a citywide camping ban, which includes long-term RV street parking. The second would be an emphasis on arresting and prosecuting for drug-related crimes, followed by the option of jail or long-term treatment. Supporters say the measures would restore public safety and help people living on the streets who are addicted to drugs. Critics say the initiatives go too far and ultimately won't work. We'll hear from both sides ahead at 6 o'clock. And that brings us to our KOMO Pulse poll. You can scan the QR code there on your screen to participate. We're asking, should the city of Seattle ease up on prosecution for open-air drug use? This is a live look at the results tonight. You can see almost everyone here. 92% say no, 8% say yes. Again, if you'd like to weigh in, just scan the QR code there on your screen. That'll take you directly to the story on KOMOnews.com.